Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to activate data saving mode on Android phone Infinix and drastically reduce cost of data consumption on your Infinix phone. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are following this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to open up your phone iPad. So I'm going to simply click on here. Then take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on this setting icon from the top side. Click on that. It take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply navigate to SIM and network settings. So click on that. It take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to navigate to data usage. It take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply navigate to data saving mode. So click on that, and this is going to pump up. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on settings to enable phone master access. Then click on here. So you have to simply look for phone master access. So here we go. So simply click on phone master. Then make sure you give permission. You can simply go back and then go back to data saving mode. Simply click on allow. So it's as simple as that. Next thing you want to do here is to simply scroll down. So when you scroll down, you see all apps data usage ranking based on how you use data. So from the top right here, WhatsApp is leading on my phone right here. So if I click on here also, and then you see what app, how your system data are consumed, you can simply click on system right here. And you see data consumed system. So Play Store is the leading right here. And here, you can switch back to app. So it's as simple as that. So if you want to save any data on your phone with this data saving mode, what you need to do is to simply go back and then simply click on data saving mode right here. Then it takes you right here. And at this point here, you can simply click on here to add app. I'm going to simply click on here and then select the app that you would like to add into your data saving mode. So I have my WhatsApp to be the highest consumer of my data. Then I will simply scroll down and look for Google Play Store. So those are the apps that currently consume much more data on my phone. So Google Play Store. So here we go. So you can add as many as possible apps into this particular section. Once you are done, simply go back and it has been added successful. And each time you are browsing with some of these apps here, your data usage is going to be safe and the data consumption is going to be drastically low on your Infinix phone. It's as simple as that. So I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.